Alright, hi guys, so I know I'm a little bit up close and personal. I'm all up in your grill, I'm all up on your screens, but today I want to do a little bit of a close-up because I'll be talking about my lippies from Your True Shade. Now, Your True Shade, as I've said before, they're a Jamaican brand. They make their own makeup products. They make their own powders, foundations, primers, and now they make their own lippies. Now all the lippies have mirrors on them, and I'm just holding it so they don't fall out. So I'm holding it like this. All the lippies have mirrors on them, which I find them extremely convenient, because a while ago I just put it on and I was just using the mirror rather than to get up and then to come back. I just use the mirror here, and I'm going to tell you the colors that I have. What I'm wearing right now is Voluptuous, and it's this color right here. The next color is called Also Red, and it's this red here, and I've worn this red before. This color is called Pink Passion, and I have not been wearing this pink, which is crazy because y'all know I love pink, but I've just been giving pink a little bit of a break. Then this color is Truly Nude. And then this color is Chocoholic. Now this color is the only non-matte color. This color is actually a gloss, but this gloss lasts a really long time. It lasts a really long time. These are the four here. It did? Good job, Papa. Yes, say yes, Mommy. Good job. Kill it. So these four here, these are their matte ones. Passion. Yeah, Pink Passion, Also Red, Truly Nude, and Voluptuous. I'm wearing Voluptuous today, and let me just say, these go on extremely thin. They don't go on like thick and globby. They go on really, really thin. And when I put it on, I can move it around for it to go where I want it to go, and I don't mind that at all. Now, as for the longevity, it doesn't last as long. It doesn't last long, but it lasts long. If you're eating anything that has oil in it, as you know, with any matte lippy, it will take it off because it's oil, and the oils will break it down and remove it. When you're removing these, they don't have to be wiping and tugging at your skin. They come off really easily. So that's just I kind of appreciate. A lot of these matte lipsticks are very long wearing, and I understand that, but sometimes having to take them off, it can be a bit of it can wear and tear on your lips. So I can appreciate that formula with Your True Shade. On the other hand, I don't mind when it's hard to wipe off, because that means it's going to last extremely long. You know, I don't mind that, but I'm just saying for Your True Shade, you do not have to do that. Chocoholic is the one I've been wearing a lot, and I had to fight myself not to put this on, and they said put on Voluptuous, which I wasn't really a fan of Voluptuous. When I got it, I was like, alright, then fine, I can try it. But after wearing it, I'm like, okay, I see you, Voluptuous. So these are what I want to talk to you guys about today. They're absolutely nice, great quality, and again, made here in Jamaica, brand Jamaica. Support your own. I featured Your True Shade a cajillion times on my channel for the foundations, for the foundation powders, I know for the setting powders, I know for the lippies. Guys, Your True Shade is doing the darn thing. By the way, I apologize if you can hear music. I think it's somewhat of a holiday for some people, so it's like pretty loud, and I'm filming outside with natural lighting. And I'm sorry if this unblended thing is bothering you, but I don't care. I'm just saying. Yeah, so that is what I want to talk to you guys about today. I will not stay long. I just have to give them their very own video. Again, Your True Shade did not say, here, make a video with these, please. They didn't. But if it's brand Jamaica and it is good, and if I love it, I'm going to bring it to my audience, because I love that we can support each other. And that's what we need. And I'm going to make a separate video just talking about my makeup collection and where I am emotionally with that. But yeah, that's basically it for this video, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Bye guys.